Hello and welcome, my amazing friends. Today, we are going to talk about something that can completely change the way you sound when you speak English. Not just speaking English, but speaking clearly, speaking naturally, and speaking with confidence so people understand you easily and respect your voice. If you have ever felt that your English is not sounding right, or people ask you to repeat again and again, then this lesson is for you. Stay with me till the end, because what you learn today can truly transform your accent step by step. Many learners can speak English, but they do not sound natural. They know vocabulary, they know grammar, they can make sentences, but when they speak, something feels off. Their pronunciation is not clear. Their accent sounds heavy. Their speech feels slow or disconnected. And because of this, they lose confidence. They feel shy. They feel nervous. They stop speaking. This is the real problem. It is not about knowledge, it is about how you sound. Now, listen carefully. Accent is not about being perfect. Accent is not about copying someone completely. Accent is about being clear, natural, and easy to understand. And here is the most important truth. This is not a talent. This is a skill. And any skill can be learned with the right method and practice. You can improve your accent. You can train your mouth. You can change your sound. Today, I will show you simple and powerful tricks that you can start using immediately. No confusion, no difficult rules, just clear steps that work in real life. Trick 1. Slow down your speech. This is the first and most important step. Many learners try to speak fast because they think fast speaking sounds fluent. But this is a mistake. When you speak too fast, your words become unclear. Your pronunciation becomes weak. Your brain cannot control everything. For example, say this sentence fast without control. I want to improve my English every day. It becomes unclear. Now, say it slowly. I want to improve my English every day. You feel the difference. Your sound is clear. Your mouth moves properly. Practice like this. Take one sentence. Say it slowly. Focus on each word, then repeat it 3 times. Then say it a little faster. Do not rush. This is normal if you feel slow at first. Slow speaking builds strong foundation. Trick 2. Train your mouth muscles. Accent is physical. It is not only in your brain, it is in your mouth. If your mouth movement is wrong, your sound will be wrong. Many learners speak with tight lips and small mouth movement. This makes sound weak. For example, say the word man with a closed mouth. Now, open your mouth more and say man. The sound becomes clearer. Practice in front of a mirror. Watch your mouth. Open it naturally. Do not exaggerate too much. Just relax and let the sound come out. Repeat simple words like cat, man, can, better. Say them slowly. Then use them in sentences. This may feel strange in the beginning. That is normal. Your muscles are learning something new. Trick 3. Focus on clear sounds. Many learners ignore small sounds, but these small sounds create big difference. For example, the R sound. In American English, R is strong and clear. Say car, not CA. Say better, not beta. Practice words like car, more, work, learn, better. Say them slowly. Feel your tongue move slightly back. Then use them in sentences. I work very hard. This is better for me. Repeat again and again. Do not rush. Clear sound creates clear accent. Trick 4. Connect your words. This is a powerful secret. Many learners speak word by word. I want to go to the market. This sounds robotic. Native speakers connect words. They speak in flow. For example, I want to go becomes I want to go. Did you eat becomes did you eat? When you connect words, your speech becomes smooth. Practice like this. Take one sentence. I want to go home. First say it slowly, then connect it. I want to go home. Repeat 10 times, then say it faster. Do not force it. Let it become natural. This takes time. That is normal. Trick 5. Listen and copy. This is called shadowing. It is one of the best methods. You listen to a native speaker and speak at the same time. Not after, but with the speaker. Choose a short audio, listen 2 times. Then play it again and speak with it. Even if you miss words, keep going. Focus on sound, rhythm, and tone. Repeat this many times. Record your voice. Compare it with the original. Fix small mistakes. This method trains your ear and mouth together. It feels difficult at first. That is normal, but after some days you will see improvement. Trick 6. Use stress and rhythm. English is not flat, it has music. Some words are strong, some words are weak. For example, I want to go to the market. The words want, go, market are strong. Other words are soft. Say it like this: I want to go to the market. Feel the rhythm. Practice by taking simple sentences. Stress important words. Repeat again and again. This makes your speech sound natural and alive. Trick 7. Improve your T sound. In American accent, T is not always strong. Sometimes it sounds like a soft D. For example, water sounds like water. Better sounds like be dare. Practice this slowly. Say water, then say water. Feel the smooth flow. Do not change every T, only in the middle of words. This will make your accent sound more natural. Trick 8. Practice daily. This is the most important rule. You cannot change your accent in one day. You need daily practice. Small practice is enough. 5 to 10 minutes daily can create big change. Do not practice one day and stop for a week. Be consistent. This is how improvement happens. Now, let me explain something deeper. Accent is not one thing. It is a combination of sounds, rhythm, connection, and confidence. When you work on all these together, your speaking improves naturally. If you only learn theory, nothing changes. You must practice with your mouth. You must repeat again and again. Repetition builds muscle memory. Muscle memory creates natural speaking. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every learner feels uncomfortable at the beginning. That is normal. With practice, your mouth becomes flexible, your sound becomes clear, your confidence grows. Remember this: clear speaking is more important than fast speaking. Natural flow is more important than perfect grammar. Confidence is more important than fear. Now let us connect everything. When you slow down, you gain control. When you open your mouth, your sound becomes clear. When you train sounds, your pronunciation improves. When you connect words, your speech becomes smooth. When you use stress, your speech gets rhythm. When you do shadowing, your accent becomes natural. All these work together. Now I will give you a simple daily routine. First, listen to English audio for 5 minutes. Focus on sound. Second, choose one short sentence and practice it slowly. Third, do shadowing for 5 minutes. Fourth, record your voice and listen. Fifth, speak freely for 2 minutes. Do this daily. This small routine is powerful. You do not need long hours. You need consistency. After some days, you will notice change. Your speech becomes clearer. Your confidence increases. People understand you better. This is real progress. Finally, remember this. Your accent will not change just by watching this video. Your accent will change when you practice daily. Do not wait for perfect time. Start today. Start small. Stay consistent. Believe in yourself. You can speak clearly. You can sound natural. You can build confidence. Keep practicing, and you will see the difference. Your journey starts now.